When family life gets busy and hectic, one of the things that keeps me sane is making a super easy keto dinner that tastes like a gourmet meal. Bonus points if the whole family likes it. So today on All Day I Dream About Food, I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite keto dinners, brown butter chicken with sage and prosciutto. Now another thing that keeps me sane is exercise. And as a runner, I know the importance of staying hydrated. That's where Element comes in. It's my new favorite electrolyte drink, and it really helps keep me on track. It has a science-backed ratio of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Everything your body needs and nothing it doesn't. I have tried a lot of electrolyte drinks in my day. What I love about Element is that it doesn't spike my blood sugar. It has no sugar, no artificial ingredients, and it comes in fabulous flavors like raspberry and watermelon. And you don't have to be a runner or an athlete to get the benefits of Element. It's great for anyone, and it can help prevent and eliminate headaches, muscle cramps, and fatigue. Right now, Element is offering my subscribers a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serving packets free with any Element order. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. Get yours at drinkelement.com/dreamaboutfood. This deal is only available through my link. You must go to drinklmnt.com/dreamaboutfood. Now this one-pan chicken recipe is so easy and so delicious. And to my surprise, all 3 of my children love it. So let's get started. Now here I have 1 3/4 pounds of chicken thighs, boneless, skinless thighs, and I've already cut them into 1-inch chunks. And I'm going to season them all over with salt and pepper. Then you want to take a large skillet and set it over medium heat. And you want to add a couple tablespoons of oil to the pan. You can use olive oil or you can use avocado oil. And once you have your oil nice and hot, you can add the chicken to the pan and brown it all over. And you want to cook it about 7 to 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked through, you just want to transfer it with a slotted spoon to another bowl. Now we're going to make a delicious sauce for our chicken. And this sauce takes only 3 ingredients: butter, sage, and prosciutto. So you want to take some fresh sage, and you need about 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh sage leaves. Good, that's about 2 tablespoons right there. Then you want to take 4 slices of prosciutto, and you can just coarsely chop the prosciutto as well. So you want to make sure your pan is back over medium heat, and we're going to add 1/2 cup of salted butter. And once your butter is melted, you're going to start to let it brown. And while it's browning, you want to add your sage and your prosciutto. And you're going to cook it all together until the sage and prosciutto are nice and crispy. This takes about 4 minutes. And once you have that beautiful amber color, all you need to do is add the chicken back to your pan with any of the juices that are in the bowl as well. And you're gonna just toss it around and combine in this delicious sauce, and then you're ready to serve. Oh, it looks so beautiful and gorgeous and golden, and it smells even better. Now we like to serve this delicious chicken over cauliflower rice or zucchini noodles, or sometimes just with a salad. But right now, I'm just gonna eat it right out of the pan. So get a piece of chicken and some of that crispy sage and prosciutto. Ooh, they're getting away on me. Come here. Oh, look at that. Golden brown, crispy prosciutto, crispy sage. Oh, it smells so good. But I don't want to burn my mouth. That is delicious. There is nothing quite like brown butter for taking your recipes up a notch. For this easy keto dinner recipe and so many more, please check out alldayidreamaboutfood.com.